Hi guys, welcome back to House's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna make a vegetarian dish which is few ingredients but tons of flavor. For this appetizer, you will need fresh eggplants, onion, garlic, tomatoes, and simple spices such as salt, black pepper, paprika, and turmeric. Let's get started. To prepare my ingredients, I've already peeled some of my eggplants. I just basically use the device, which is easy to peel the eggplant. One thing for eggplant, when you buy eggplant, try to get the eggplants that they are firm to touch, not very soft. If they are very soft, it's not a good eggplant anymore. So just make sure that you buy the ones that's pretty firm. Next, I'm gonna peel the onion, and when it's ready, then I'll show you how to cut it. And obviously, I'm gonna cut the eggplant as well. I'll show you how to do that. Starts by cutting the onion, eggplants, and tomatoes all in a circle form. Keep all the cuts even. This will help everything cook at the same pace. With all the ingredients prepared and ready, place a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add 3 tablespoons of avocado oil and let it heat up until hot and shimmering. Okay, the oil is hot now, so we carefully add some of our cut vegetables. I have to saute my vegetables in a few batches because we have quite a bit of amount of ingredients to saute. When the eggplants are changing to this color, that means they are already sauteed enough. Some of them is like still needed some cooking, but yeah, just when they change color, that means you're good. Careful with the garlic because we don't want to burn them. So this is my first batch. I'm gonna start transferring after it's ready to another dish, and then start with the other batch. I guess just keep it for a few minutes more and then start with the second batch. For the second batch, I add some more onions, eggplants, tomatoes, and garlic to the skillet. Then repeat the same cooking process until everything is nicely sauteed and tender. This batch is almost ready too. It's very nicely caramelized and sauteed. So we go to another batch. So this is my last batch. Now I'm gonna add all the spices. To start with some salt, black pepper, some paprika, and turmeric. I'm gonna mix this. You don't need to saute this for too long, maybe a minute or so. As long as you can smell the fragrance, that's good enough. And what you do, you bring everything back to the same dish and get all to become one. This is really a delicious dish. You can add egg if you want to this. and you can serve it with rice, with flat bread, just as it is. You're going to be amazed. The vegetarian dish, how flavorful it is. I guarantee if you follow this, you will be amazed, and you will make this over and over again. Okay, I'll let this maybe a minute to incorporate all together. Then I'll mix this, whether I'm gonna use a mixer or one of those handheld mixer, and then the dish is gonna be ready. Now comes the fun part. Using a hand mixer, blend the cooked ingredients until everything comes together into a smooth, creamy mixture. Keep mixing until the texture is silky and well combined. Okay, let's test this. I have a few rice crackers. I'm gonna This is good. This is so delicious. I hope you follow this recipe, and hopefully let me know in the comments how did you like it. I think this vegetarian dish gluten-free as well, and you can always enjoy this.